Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing Agentic AI, which in a nutshell, this is a software that allows you to generate or create human-like AI agents that you can add on your website. Okay, so basically these are chatbots. Now, these AI agents can be trained with your own information, so they know exactly what to respond to your traffic that comes to your website. Okay, and this can be added on any HTML based website, WordPress, ClickFunnels, lead pages, whatever. You can add basically on any website, and they have a ton of templates. I mean, you can also start from scratch, right? But they have like, I think 1000 templates. So that's pretty insane. And you can use these AI agents to replace your customer support and basically work on your website 24/7. Now they also have a really cool feature, which is this super bot here, which allows you to add multiple bots. For example, we have like marketing agents, sales agents, customer support agents. You can add all these agents into one. And for example, if someone comes to your website and asks for the sales agent, it's going to be redirected automatically to that AI sales agent, which is pretty cool. Also, we have CRM, agency, and so on. So I will show you how everything works. Now, before I do so, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this video. And if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about Agentic AI, including the pricing. We also have the upsells and the bundle. And basically the bundle will include absolutely everything in the funnel. And also I have some coupon codes for you guys. So for the bundle, you can use this coupon code and save $100, and the final price will be $267, and you get absolutely everything in the funnel. If you want the front end offer, you have this coupon code, and the front end offer is going to be $47. So you can use this coupon code and you will get $10 off. And yeah, we have the upsells. Everything is listed on my website. And if you want, you can also check out my bonuses by clicking this link here, and you will be redirected to this page where I host all my bonuses. And all of these bonuses are free, part of your purchase, if you decide to get Agentic AI through my link, and they will be delivered inside of your JVZoo account after you purchase through my link. So yeah, make sure you check out the link in the description for more information. Now, as you can see, this is going to be your members area, and let's set up an agent. So first of all, we go to agents, click on new agent, and we have start from scratch, or you can choose from these templates, right? And you have this option here, so you can filter these agents. So yeah, we have a bunch of niches like beauty, charity, digital marketing, education, finance, investing. I will go with digital marketing and social media. We have affiliate marketing AI agents. I will choose this one, choose this template. And as you can see, we have a ton of images that we can use with our agent. So again, a ton of images that you can choose from. So let's just pick one of these, maybe this one, like so, James Raffalo. And you can also add your own images, right? So you can basically add an image of yourself. So I will use this one and I will click on save and next. And now you want to enter the agent's name. And let's go with James, and then you want to select the language. And this one is pretty cool because you can pretty much create these agents in any language. And this one is pretty cool because you can basically sell these kind of services. So you can sell to local businesses, you can sell to website owners and stuff like that on places like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, and so on. And yeah, this is a nice feature to have because obviously not every website is in English. So yeah, pretty cool. Next, we have the agent position. So left or right is going to be at the bottom of the website. So I will choose right. And we have also these animations. And yeah, you can choose these animations. So let's go with swing and confirm like so. And next, you want to customize the theme. So we have AI voices. And the best part is that these agents can also talk. I forgot to mention that in the intro, but they can talk. So we have a ton of voices in here.
Hi there. This is a sample voice test.
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 So you can go ahead and find the perfect voice for your needs. They have a ton of voices. Some sound really good. Some sound not really good. So yeah, doesn't really matter. I will choose this one for this example. You can also go ahead and clone your voice if you want to, and also have these options, right, to filter these agents. So yeah, I will choose Jack for this example, and I will go to save and next. Now from here you want to select the AI model. Okay, so yeah, we have OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek. So you can choose from these options here, but just keep in mind that you will need, for example, with OpenAI, you will need to add your own OpenAI API key. Okay, so they have integrated an AI. So I'm going to use the default model, and we have the response length. So we have short, medium, or large. So I will go with medium, and the knowledge source is going to be AI response or trained. So you might want to go with trained because you want to train this AI with your own information, right? So you can add URLs. So I will add my URL from my website, and also you have the PDFs. So you can add PDFs with information about your business and so on. So yeah, I will click on save and next, and then you want to customize the welcome message, the thank you message. So you can add your text in here. I will leave it as is. You can manually add some FAQs, right? And we also have these options like show lead form, feedback form, footer branding, and you can upload your logo, add a URL. You can live schedule these agents. So for example, if you want to answer the questions from your customers manually throughout the day when you are working, you can do that and schedule these AI agents. So for example, if you're not at your desk, maybe at night, you can have the AI to answer all those questions for you automatically. So yeah, but I think I will leave it like 24/7 because why not? Now autoresponder, you can integrate your autoresponder. So let me actually show you the settings. So if you go to integration, as you can see, we have autoresponder, and we have webinar, workflow automation, CRM, and also the credits. And from here, you can integrate OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. So yeah, if you want to add these models, you can integrate your own API key. And also you can have this feedback form. So your customers will give stars to these AI agents. Now the footer branding, I will leave this off, live schedule off, and I will click on publish. And as you can see, we have the code. So you can embed the code to your website. And also we have a standalone URL. So I will actually copy this and paste it in a new tab like so, and you can chat with the agent from here. Now, if I go back to members area, let me see if this is active. So, okay, this is active. And again, you can copy the embed code from here. And also you can edit this agent as well, right? And this is how easy it is to create these agents. So for example, if I go to the agent and say something like, how Agentic AI will help my construction business. And as you can see, it's going to ask for the email address and the name. So I will add these and click on submit. And as you can see, this is the response. And if I say how much it costs, okay, so for some reason, this bar is going up. So I don't know why, but as you can see, we have these buttons here. So you can copy this response. You can basically go ahead and regenerate the response and also speak.
The cost of Agentic AI varies depending on the specific package and add-ons chosen. The base package, Agentic AI Commercial, is priced at $47. The most expensive package, Agentic AI Mega Suite.
Right, so I think you get the idea. This is what you can create with Agentic AI, right? These agents that basically will do the customer support, will do the sales, will build your list, will do absolutely everything 24/7 on your website. Now, if I go to Superbot and create a Superbot, as you can see, we have available agents. Now, in order to create these Superbot, you will need more agents, right? Now, in this case, I have my agent, which is James, and it's trained with Agentic AI Review. But with this option, you can have like a sales agent, a marketing agents, a customer support, and all your agents will appear here, okay? And you can choose all these agents and click on deploy Superbot. Let me actually give it a name, Superbot, like so, and click on deploy. It's going to create this Superbot with all the agents included, right? So if I go to this embed option and standalone and copy the URL, and let's actually paste it in a new tab in an incognito window. As you can see, we have James and we have these arrows. And if someone will ask for the marketing agent, is going to be redirected to the marketing agents, which is pretty cool. Now, if I go to CRM, you will see all the conversations, all the leads. And as you can see, you have this lead and also the feedback, if you have the feedback enabled. And basically, this is it. This is what you can do with Agentic AI. Create these AI agents that will sell for you, do the customer support, the marketing. They will build leads for you automatically. And yeah, now again, make sure you check out the link in the description for more information about Agentic AI. Make sure you check out the pricing, the bonuses, and if you decide to pick this up, if you want to get the bundle, click on this green button. If you want the front-end offer and maybe one of those upsells, just click on this purple button. Now, if you have any questions, guys, make sure you ask them below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.